Hello and welcome to the Smart Center e-learning video. Logging into Smart Center. In this demo, you will learn how to log into the Smart Center web application. To do this, open the web browser and enter the Smart Center URL in the address bar. On the login page, enter your training center ID, which will be the username. Then, enter the password and click Login. Select Remember Me if you want the system to remember your password. If you have forgotten your password, click Forgot Password to receive a link in your email that will help you reset your password. The Smart Center homepage is displayed. To access a work area, click the corresponding tab on the menu bar, or you can also click the required widget. News and Events. This section includes a scrolling text with links provided by the Government of India. To access any of these links, hover the mouse over the link and click. The corresponding web page is displayed in a new tab. In the Gallery section, use the navigation buttons to browse through the photo gallery. This concludes the demo. Please close your browser to exit this tutorial.